Look at this big present. What could it be?
Hi!
It's Michelle.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, everybody look. Okay, so it's November and we're getting in the Christmas spirit. And we're going to put up the Christmas tree. We always put up the Christmas tree in November. I got into that habit from my mom because she always used to put the Christmas tree up when the Santa Claus parade was on in mid-November around her birthday. And I just got in that habit. I always have an artificial tree. We used to have a white one for a long time. I had it for like 20 years, but it was getting yellow and brown, so I got this one. Yeah, so I loved my white tree, but it was getting yellow and brown over the years. So then I got this one on sale half price at Walmart, so like 65 bucks a couple of years ago. So, and it's one of those ones that looks like a real tree and that's got like the fake snow on it. So I'm hoping the instructions are still in the box because I don't really remember how to put it together, but hopefully it's pretty easy. It says team lift, but I didn't have a team. I had to carry it upstairs from the basement by myself. Luckily it has these handles, so it was a little easier. Anyway, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. So we're going to do a video of putting up the tree.
Yep, with Allie.
Well, she's not really going to help too much.
With Allie.
All right. Oh dear, so we're not off to a very good start. The instructions were not in the box. I didn't leave them in there because that would have made too much sense, I guess. And I thought, well, you can find anything online, right? Nope. Holiday Time, the company that makes the tree, they don't have a website and there are no instructions. So hopefully it's easy to figure out because, I don't know, I don't really remember. So anyway, here goes. Okay, so I think this is the bottom section. It's got a C on it, and then this would be the middle with a B. This one we couldn't find a letter, but it's got to be the top because it looks like the top. So, and then the stand got to put together. So that's the first thing I'll do, I guess. Okay, so I'm assuming that this is the plug that goes into like an extension cord, and then the plug up here, C2, is the one that's going to plug into section B that's going to go on top. Okay, and then there's a B2 up here, so then A is going to plug into that, so I think that's it, so that should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
Careful, don't hurt yourself, baby.
No, it's actually really light.
Okay, so we'll plug that in together. Careful. Okay, now I'll plug it in, hopefully, and we have to scooch out the branches, but yeah. So that was surprisingly easy and awesome.
Didn't need
It's already
any instructions whatsoever, and it just turned on. It's very easy.
And one thing I really like about this tree is one of the parts that I hate it. Like I like putting the decorations on, the ornaments, that's fun, but I did not like putting the lights, and this is pre-lit, so I don't have to worry about the lights.
No, you don't at all. You just gotta plug the things in. They're there, you gotta plug it in, you gotta plug things in. That's all you gotta do. You gotta plug like 4 things in.
We still gotta fluff it out because it's a bit bunched up, but that's okay. white tinsel so it looks like snow. Just to hide a bit of the... Doesn't have to be perfect. Just to hide the legs of the stand. So yeah, this was pretty easy to put together. Knock on wood. Right now we're going to put the decorations. So I keep my decorations in these drawers, and I usually what I do... Are you kidding me? After all that, the directions were in that was actually pretty smart to put them in the drawer with the decorations, but I wish I'd known that. Anyway, we didn't even need them. It was pretty easy, but okay, so I usually go one drawer at a time and put the decorations on. So it's very crowded in here. I can't even get this. So the first drawer is some angels and birds and things. So I'll put those up. And yeah, so we've got birds and angels on so far.
There's so many ornaments. I can't pick a favorite. If I would have a favorite, like with just these, it might be maybe a butterfly or a little dragonfly. Or they're also pretty.
Okay, still got lots more to go.
Yep. Yay! Like, this is our snowflake drawer.
Yeah, so this is snowflakes and pine cones. So they're kind of like the natural themed things.
And occasionally a star.
And some stars too. So yeah, we're gonna put those on next.
Great. Bye.
Okay, we're on the third drawer now, the biggest drawer, and this has got a lot of stuff, pretty turquoise things. So we'll be putting those on next.
Yay! So pretty.
Okay, so now it's the last drawer. How come there's a purple guy in here? He does not match. We're just gonna have him as a decoration. He is cute, but he's not turquoise. So I only allow turquoise, silver, and white decorations on my tree. And a long time ago, when I was dating a guy who was with me for Christmas, he wanted to put a gold apple on the tree. I'm like, as if that doesn't match. He said, well, if you loved me, you'd put it on the tree. I said, well, if you loved me, you wouldn't make me put a golden apple and clash with all my silver. Anyways, oh, here's the star. Okay, so we will put up the star and the rest of these decorations.
So we're going to see.
that?
It's perfect.
So I found my star.
Yay.
So the tree's getting there. Almost done. We still got one more drawer of ornaments, but yeah, it's coming along. Okay, here we go. So we're done. That's it.
Yep. We got our tree. Hooray! I'm so happy.
So, you excited for Christmas, Vivian?
I'm so excited.
Okay, good job. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I like having the Christmas tree up early because then we can enjoy it all month. So, we can enjoy it
Yep.
all through November and all through December.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye.
I'll get some pictures of us too.
All right. Bye.